Hi, my name is Preston Pace, and I'm here with the Hiseville Elementary STLP group. So, today we're going to be learning the lattice method of multiplication. So, as you can see, I have wrote 326 on the top and 22 on the sides. So, first you have to multiply these numbers. So, 2 times 3 is 6, and you have to fill in both boxes. So, for that, you just put a 0 and then a 6. And then 2 times 2 is 4, and then you put a 0 and a 4. And then 2 times 6 is 12, and so you put a 1 and a 2, just like that. So, then you do the same thing. You move to the bottom number once that top row is done. And so, 2 times 3 is 6, so you put a 0 and a 6 again. 2 times 2 is 4, so you put a 0 and a 4. And then 2 times 6 is 12, and then you put a 1 and a 2. So, now you erase these numbers up here, and then with that being done, you then add the numbers, but they have to be diagonal if you want to add them. So 2 is over here by itself, and so you would just put a 2 right here because there's nothing on top or below it. And then you have 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus 4, which is 7. So you put a 7. Now, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 6, that would be 11. So you have to carry the 1 and then put 1 on the bottom, which adds to the next row. So then you would 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 6, that would be 7, and then 0, so it would stay a 7, and so you put a 7 right here, and then that's a 0, so that'd be by itself. So your answer, or product, would be 7,172.